Very good. Good boy. Are you holding your bottle? You need help from mommy? Huh? I don't think so. Such a good boy. Come on, tilt it. Oops. Come on, try to get it again. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Right here.